In this video, I will show you how to link bank account to Shopee. So to get started, go ahead and open Shopee on your device. Now make sure that you are signed in into your account. Head over into the Me section, and then in here, click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Now click on bank accounts or cards from here. And then once you're inside it, you'll need to click on that add bank account button. Since what you want to do is to link your bank account to Shopee, make sure that your bank account is accessible online. So in here, you need to enter your full name into this section. So you need to enter the full name that you're currently using on that bank account. You need to select the bank that you want to connect. So there are a few banks available in here. And then after that, you need to go ahead and enter your account name. So you need to confirm this by receiving an OTP to the number registered on that specific bank on your device. And that is how you can basically link bank account to Shopee.